I am not happy. I was just out there on the balcony, and I was doing this speech, yeah? And it was going really well. And then I did the new salute, and everyone started to laugh at me.
Which salute did you do, mein Führer?
It played very well in Cologne.
Ha! Cologne stinks. It went down so well in the focus groups. Focus groups, smokers groups. Those guys are nothing but a bunch of yes men, is it not? I want a new salute, one that will inspire fear and respect and make the Fräuleins ask me to autograph their juggling movies.
But you didn't like any of the concept salutes.
I want a new salute right now, or I shall have you all turned into Liebfrau Milch. Hang on. 1-5 Drive. Where is the head of the Gestapo? He's supposed to be in these meetings as well.
Oh wait, I see him now.
Applause, please!
Go, we just popped his on, so you'll feel it.
A little something for our fire. Ah, is this guy back? If you would smile this way. Is he on Twitter?
How nice of you to join us. Okay, to business. I want a new salute. And we shall start with eeny, meeny, miny, Rudolph. On the end. Why don't you show us a new salute? Is that it?
Yeah. You want me to do it again?
Ja, bitte. That slight movement of the hand at base level.
And the elevation of the eyebrows.
I do not think you quite understand, Rudy. People need to be able to see that I am doing a salute. Otherwise, they might think that I am chewing off a cockfossil.
That is a cockvasp.
It's a wasp around your cock. And would you follow a leader who always had a wasp around his cock? Like he had some kind of jammy bell end? Nine. Go and stand in the corner. And where's a bucket? Okay, Goebbels, your turn.
Right, the screaming and rock guitar noises are optional, but you will get the picture.
I think that one is a little bit complicated.
Yeah, it is complicated, but I think that will work to your credit. That's it. You know how everyone likes to learn the latest dance steps?
Gangnam Style?
Sexy lady? 9. It is ridiculous. Like the one I tried earlier, I think you are trying to turn me into some kind of funny ha-ha clown.
But everyone loves a funny ha-ha clown.
But are they going to follow a funny ha-ha clown into war?
Well, it depends. If he had a funny little clown moustache and funny spimpy hair and a funny walk. I find right. Stop it!
Stop it! What's in here? Back into that. Von Ribbentrop. This is your moment to shine.
Well, obviously I'm not quite as creative as Goebbels.
Oh, enough is the excuses.
What about something like,
I think that one is a little bit gay.
That's what we're going for, is alright? Seriously? But we have more leather than Fonzie's onesies. I've mistaken the purpose of this group.
Well, that leaves you, new boy. Why don't you step forward here and show us a new salute for the Nazi Party?
Mein Führer! Das ist nicht für mich.
Just ein salute, not a monologue.
I suggest maybe without the whole due to health and safety reasons.
Very much. Very good. I want to try it out immediately. When can I make an appearance?
You are booked into Jongleurs Nuremberg on Tuesday.
Excellent. I shall try it then. I'll be all like, oh, good evening, ladies and germs. What is the deal with Zeppelin food? What is the deal with the Jews? Yada, 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 yada. Thank you very much. Tip your waitresses good night.
Yeah. It will go down a storm.
It'll be told some maze balls.
There ain't no party like the Nazi party.
Good work, everyone. High five.